What's going on, everybody? Here we are. It's another week at the Home Theater Hobbyist, and this week we have an unboxing of our first Pioneer receiver. This right here is the VSX-LX103. So let's get to it. Here we are with this receiver. This is the Pioneer Elite VSX-LX103, and I am super excited about it because I have never used a Pioneer receiver in my room. Many of you have asked me in the comment section how I feel about them, and I have to tell you, I don't know. So I get to try one out. Now, I chose a receiver from the Elite line because this represents Pioneer's higher build quality, apparently. That's what they say. So I want to check it out, see how they are. This particular receiver is a 7-channel receiver, which means it has 7 amplifiers in the box. And for those of you who are new to home theater or just haven't been in the game in a while, I always recommend getting at least a 7-channel amplifier or a 7-channel receiver. And I say that because it gives you the ability to upgrade in the future. If you're planning to do something like a 5.1 system or something like that, so you've got 5 speakers around you, you have the ability to add rear speakers, 2 more rear speakers in the back, or you can do overheads if you're planning to do Dolby Atmos or DTS:X. So it gives you the ability to basically just upgrade in the future. So I always recommend that. But enough chit chat. I've had this box here actually for 2 days now. I've been holding off on this for 2 days. I was trying to do this last night, but some things came up, so I couldn't do it. But here we are. I'm going to do it. The box looks good. Of course, I can definitely lift this up. I brought up the stairs easily. No problems there. It says the gross weight is 26.5 pounds. And also, I was not able to find my box cutter yet again, but I did find this old pocket knife, so I can do that. Now, what do I expect? I expect the normal things that you find in a receiver box, but it's always good to unbox them so you guys can see what's there as well. Ah, yeah, that's the good stuff there. That's the good stuff. Wow, Pioneer does it kind of nice. Does it kind of nice here. So, whoa, things are sliding a little bit, but that's what I see. So we'll start here on my left, closest to the camera, and pull out the remote, nicely packaged. And on the far right, the power cable, also in a little plastic baggie. And here we have the antennas, set of batteries. This is the mic for the room calibration software, multi-room audio starter for if you're trying to buy some sort of speaker, and of course the manual. So we've got those things here in the box. Next, what do we have? I guess I can pull the styrofoam out here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Here she comes. More styrofoam. So you guys can see, there she sits. And let me move my knife so I don't cut myself. Here she is, and so you know, there's the rest of the box. Nothing else in there. Let's see, how does this feel? This feels like the front. Just taking this out of the box, I haven't looked at it yet, but it's decently balanced. So that tells me that the amplifiers, seems like there's maybe a little bit more weight on this side, so maybe there's a little bit more amplifiers, but it's not overly, one side's not overly heavy, so when you pick it up, it goes this. It's actually pretty well balanced, which I consider to be a good sign for a receiver. Boy, look at that. Look at that. That nice Elite goodness. And one of the things I do like while I'm here, I actually really like the way these Elite receivers look. At least in the pictures, and it does show it kind of here too. I guess it's not as well as I thought, but one of the things when you look at the pictures of an Elite receiver, they seem to have sort of a brush metal finish. And this maybe this doesn't as much, but it still looks good. I don't have any issues with it there. Apparently this is master volume. This is the input selector. That's your power button. Does this door open at all? Maybe not. Maybe it's not a door. I don't know yet. It's my first time, so I don't know. You got some buttons here for auto direct, surround mode, stereo mode, pure direct, some other stuff, your standard stuff there. Turn this around back. Yep, your power supply is over here. Standard banana connections, HDMI out, HDMI in. All of them are 4K, HDCP 2.2 compatible. You got 6 HDMI ins, 1 HDMI out, 2 subwoofer connections, digital audio in, your antennas here for wireless, power connection, R32 control. If you're doing an acceptable amplifier, it's your 12 volt out. So it's pretty much the standard stuff you think. Your zone 2 out, so you have a line out there. Your standard stuff for a receiver, nothing too, just as you expect it, right? So here it is. Like I said, I'm pretty excited about this just because it gives me an opportunity to try out an Elite receiver. So I'm going to have this in. I'm going to try to get all my testing done within a week. I plan to do it in about a week. Maybe this takes a little bit longer because I kind of want to dig in the menus a little bit, but expect to see a review of this pretty soon. Let's say another week. Anyways, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm actually really excited about this. It's like a new toy, especially when you get something that you've never used before. It's like, ooh, what can it do? So I'm super excited. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, consider supporting us at patreon.com/hometheaterhobby, or use that Amazon link in the description below. And for those of you who have done that and who are doing that, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. We'll talk to you next time.